Hello, it's Phil Eggers with Super Duty Fans. Today we're making a video for you so you get a little better understanding of some of the applications for the Super Duty fans. We're going to go to 4 of our customers in the North Texas area, and we're going to interview some of the employees and managers that are using these fans to see how they feel about them and see if they've made an impact on their daily work cycle. And also some of the managers that made the decision to go with our fans over our competitors and how they feel about it now, a year, 2, 3 years later, to give you a little more confidence in making the decision to go with Super Duty fans. So we're going to go to 4 different customers, very different workplaces. Some are very dirty, some are very clean, some have higher ceilings than others. And you'll get a little better experience, a little better understanding of how our fans work for people. So thank you for stopping by and enjoy the video.
From what I've seen, industrial-wise, Super Duty fan is a little more suited for the situation, a little better built for the atmosphere we're in. These guys tend to beat on things a little bit, wood, long pieces of wood, stuff like that, you know, so.
I just think it's really great. We really appreciate it. We have a lot of even younger people, elderly people come in and they need a place to cool off. We are a completely outside facility, so there's not many places besides our snack bar, which is directly over there, and our gift shop. Both of those areas do have AC, but there's a lot of seating and more animals to view in this area. So it really helps whenever days like this and Texas weather, it really helps cool the public down.
We looked at a couple of the larger companies that have the big blades. With all the sprinkler systems and all the obstacles in here, we found the best bang for the buck would be these particular fans where we didn't have to modify the sprinkler systems, we didn't have to do anything like that.
We had little portables that we would try to move around to every spot that we were working, but these trucks are, you know, they can be up to 40 feet long. So trying to move that the entire time you're working, and then anytime we have to work on top of the trucks, you're doing aerials, you just suffer. You know, mechanic, everything's about efficiency, so every time I have to get out from under the truck to move the fan to try to stay cool, I'm losing that time that I could have been making money.
This giant fan, where I'm at, it just blows on me pretty hard, which I'm thankful for. Yeah, I can get hot.
What would you do if you didn't have that fan in there?
I'd probably buy my own, honestly.
Drink more water, I guess.
Probably melt.
I don't know, probably quit.